Shabbat Shalom. Are you tired of the word unprecedented? We began using it to describe the scope and the impact of COVID-19. More recently, we used it to describe our elections. Then we used it to describe the spike in the COVID-19 cases. And finally, we used it several days ago to describe the siege of our nation's capital. How often can we use the word unprecedented to describe something without wondering what will come next? I don't know about you, but that's where I find myself today, living in that uncertainty. We are people who live and thrive on hope. And it seems that every time we grasp for a symbol of hope, we risk our mental health. Just as our society seems to be opening up again, to get out of our houses, it's closed down. When we hope that a contentious election has left the worst behind us, it gets worse. Just when we're hopeful about a vaccine, we have distribution problems that take it to a trickle. And then we witness the unimaginable, the desecration of our holy symbol of democracy. We've used the word unprecedented to describe all these events. So, is it my imagination? Or do we only use the word unprecedented to describe bad things? When's the last time you used the word to describe something good, something positive? Why can't we talk about unprecedented compassion? Why can't we talk about unprecedented acts of kindness? I've heard about unprecedented acts of kindness being bestowed upon medical professionals in the early days, providing necessary supplies or just meals. It's a sign of appreciation for the hard work and the endless hours and the emotional challenges that they have faced. I've heard unprecedented acts of kindness when grocery shoppers have purchased a gift card for the cashier, who is a frontline worker. With the vast numbers of families in our nation who are facing hunger, there have been unprecedented donations to food banks. I want to suggest that these unprecedented times need unprecedented acts of kindness. We can't be bystanders and look out for ourselves only during these difficult times. We have to look for the ways in which we can make a difference. That's what it means to bring light to the world, to be able to dismiss the darkness. Let's think about unprecedented acts of kindness. On this Shabbat, as we reconnect to ourselves, to the holiness of life, let us live out the words of the Torah, Kedoshim to you shall be holy. Wishing you a Shabbat Shalom.